Consider the two numbers below. We have A, which is 2 to the 31 times 3 to the 15 times 7 to the 21, and B, which is 2 to the 34 times 3 to the 23 times 7 to the 14. These are huge numbers. If you multiplied these out with a calculator, they would be ginormous. Okay, so I already gave them to you in their prime factorization, which means we can use the Venn diagram approach to solve this. We've got A and we've got B. Now, what they have in common, what their prime factorizations have in common goes in the middle. So they both have some twos, and in fact, they both have 31 twos. B has some extras, but in terms of what they both have 2 to the 31. Okay, they both have some threes. Again, B has more threes than A does, so we only want to list what they both have. So they both have 15 threes, 3 to the 15. And then for 7, um, A has some extra sevens, but what they have in common is that they both have 14 sevens. A has some extras, but they both have 14. So 7 to the 14 goes in the middle. So the GCF of A and B, I can answer already. It's 2 to the 31 times 3 to the 15 times 7 to the 14. And I'm not going to ask you to multiply that out because that is a huge number. Just leave it in the prime factorization. Okay, to do the LCM, I need to finish the Venn diagram. So I've put what they have in common in here. Now, looking at A and B, um, for A, I already did all of its twos. 2 to the 31 is already accounted for A. 3 to the 15 is already accounted for A. I already put 15 threes in for A. But 7 to the 21, um, I have not accounted for all of the sevens. I've only put 14 sevens in here in the middle, which means I have 7 more. So I have a 7 to the 7th I need to put out here. These are the 7 additional sevens that A has that B doesn't have. And then for B, B has some extra twos, right? We already put 31 twos in the middle because those are the twos that A and B have in common. But B has 3 more twos than that. So I need to put in a 2 cubed over here. And then for threes, B has 8 additional threes. So I'm going to put in a 3 to the 8th. And for sevens, I already have all 14 of the sevens from B. They're already accounted for. So the LCM of A and B is all of these numbers multiplied together. So it's going to be 7 to the 7 times 2 to the 31 times 3 to the 15 times 7 to the 14 times 2 cubed times 3 to the 8th. And then I have a couple that I could put together, right? Like when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So I have a 7 to the 7 and a 7 to the 14. And I have 2 to the 31, 2 cubed, and I have 3 to the 15 times 3 to the 8th. So I have some like bases that I can add the exponents for. So for the sevens, 7 and 14 is 21. So I get 7 to the 21. For the twos, I have 2 to the 34. And for the threes, I have 3 to the 23.